In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container home in Springvale, Otago. Welcome back. Enter through the seasonal room with the main living area to the left, and to the right is a spacious office, laundry with lots of storage cabinets and a double-door garage. The main living area is fully furnished with comfortable lounge chairs for enjoying the space's sunlight. The hub of the home includes kitchen, winter lounge area with cozy log burner and cozy seats, a main bedroom and bathroom, and the second container bedroom with an ensuite. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, ample storage cabinets with shelving, plus granite countertops and a nice window that lights up the kitchen space. From the lounge area is the main bedroom. It features a closet and a comfortable queen bed that sits in front of a large floor-to-ceiling glass door, perfect for waking up to the views of the distant hills. The main bedroom is joined by an ensuite bathroom that features a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity area with enough storage cabinets. The second container bedroom is not an exemption either. Each room has a large glass window with a spectacular view of Old Man and Dunstan ranges. The spacious framed interior features high ceilings and good-sized window for plenty of natural lighting. The walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces appear bigger and brighter. Expansive outdoors welcome the outside lifestyle. An outdoor dining space provides an added bonus as a guest or a family area that can breathe in fresh air while eating, as you provide a very different experience than an outdoor dining room. The outdoor living areas open up to the living space to expand the feeling of space and avoid confinement. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior to celebrate the industrial language of the design. Which part of this amazing home appeals you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You're encouraged to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this kind of content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.